In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a column fixed in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a detailed financial report or maintaining an important data set, locking a column in place can significantly enhance your workflow. This feature, sometimes referred to as freezing, is incredibly useful for keeping key information visible while you scroll through extensive data. So, let's dive in and explore the simple yet effective steps to achieve this. To begin, open up your Google Sheets document. If you're following along with your own spreadsheet, go ahead and launch it now. If you're new to Google Sheets or just haven't used it much, don't worry. This guide will walk you through each step thoroughly. We'll use a typical expense tracker as our example. First, navigate to the expense tracker sheet or whichever document you're using today. Once you have your spreadsheet open, let's move on to selecting the column we aim to keep fixed. Choosing the column to freeze is critical, as it generally should be the one containing the most crucial information you want to keep visible. In our scenario, let's say it's column A, which potentially holds identifiers like names or transaction dates. To do this, click on the letter A at the top of your first column. This will highlight the entire column, indicating that it's the one you're targeting to fix in place. Next, we'll be working with a little gray line, which plays a pivotal role in freezing columns or rows. Locate this gray line in the corner, at the top left, right beside the A of column A. This is your guide to creating what we call a freeze pane. Hover your cursor over this gray border until you see it change to a hand icon, signaling that it's ready to be adjusted. Now comes the straightforward yet essential task of dragging this gray line. Click and hold down your mouse button while over the gray line and simply drag it to the right, along the row of letters representing your columns. Your goal here is to stop dragging when the line is positioned after the column you want to freeze. In this illustration, after column A, release your mouse button once it's in the desired position. And there you have it. Column A is now firmly fixed in place. As you scroll horizontally through your sheet, you'll notice that the column on the far left stays visible, providing continuous access to the key information contained within this column. It's a smooth and efficient way to maintain context while handling substantial data. Remember, if you ever wish to modify your freeze settings or adjust another column, simply repeat these actions accordingly. Mastering this feature will streamline your experience in Google Sheets and enhance productivity immensely. Enjoy your improved workflow and feel free to explore more features that Google Sheets has to offer. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your data organized and your columns fixed.